Hi, this is a new series of dividend portfolio aiming $250K. Hi, let's check this week's update. So currently, dividend portfolio it's worth 1637.11. Overall, it's on a positive like 8.8 percentage profit. For the past week, it was almost 0.03% on the profit side. Let's go to the activity. Past week, Monday, there was a trade of $36. Everything went to JP. And on Monday itself, there was another $135 deposited. Everything went to JP. And Costco was bought on the dividend from QYLD 6.64. Again, we got a dividend from JP on Tuesday, 5.82. And we had a deposit of $11 on Thursday. Let's check the each individual stocks. So on car wash, currently last month we got a dividend of 5.82. So considering last week JP went down in the share value. So currently JP we can see we have 17.13958 shares. Our average share price is 54.59 and JP right now it is 54.72. So still our average share price is less than the current market price. So it should be on profit. Yeah, I don't know why it's showing. Yeah, it's overall right. Yeah, overall it's on profit. Going to the other slice, Costco membership. As you can see, the last month we got a dividend of 6.7. Maybe on a quarter basis, we can see we got 19.58. Year to date, we got 26.1. Costco membership, the Costco share, right now, average share price is 490.41 and current Costco value is 499.06. For QLD, there is no change. We'll just go and see current price. Current price is 17.4 and the average share price for QLD is 16.47. I'm not planning to add anymore. Let's go to the Excel and see the monthly dividend. Currently, the dividend increased to 13.93 thanks to $135 deposit. Now, the annual dividend is 166.92. If you see JP, they declared a dividend, they again reduced from last month from 0.44 to 0.42. Costco, they increased from this year from zero point 0.9 to 1.02 per quarter. So with the current number of shares, we are getting 0.02 dividend per month. And there is no cost because whatever Costco it was bought from QYLD dividend. So we haven't paid anything for this one. The total cost for JP is 917. We have shares of 17.13. Now JP dividend crossed the QYLD dividend. Now it is 1.28. So our current aim is for 9.99 car wash. So whenever it reaches car wash $9.99, we'll create another pie. So the yield on cost on the total portfolio is 10.78. The total cost we put is 1548. Now let's see the financial independence date. Currently monthly dividend is 13.93. So with the inflation rate of 3%, let's calculate our financial independence date. Yeah, so as of today, the financial independent dividend target is 5205.9, and we will be achieving the financial independent on 23/19 July 22nd. At that time, my age would be 334, and I'd be receiving a dividend of 37 million. Let's see the goals achieved so far.